my channel. I'm down in the Florida Keys and we're going to be shooting some video with our new Fishcam 3.0. But before I start, I wanted to thank some people. First of all, I wanted to thank Stuart, who's an aerospace engineer that helped me with the design. He's got his own channel called Stu Balls Gaming. I'll put the link down below. Go check it out. Other person I wanted to thank was Jeffrey Brand. He's an insurance salesman in Logan, Idaho. I lost my hat whenever I was off doing another photo shoot at Shoshone Falls, and he gave me this nice Aflac hat to wear down here in the Keys. And I wanted to thank my wife because she does a lot of work for me. And also wanted to thank my boss, Wes, because having some conversations with him about shooting underwater video and color correction has inspired some of the features that we've added to Fishcam 3.0. So let's take a look at the Fishcam. But before I forget, if you like these videos, please click the like button down below. That helps me out a lot. And if you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button down here on the left. That would help me out a lot too. So let's get started. So Fishcam 3.0 is constructed out of 3/4 inch PVC pipe. We start with a 3/4 inch T that joins two 7-inch long 3/4 inch pieces of PVC pipe that we join together. And those end with a 90-degree elbow on both ends of the PVC. And it's like that all the way around the Fishcam if you look at it. So we basically get a 16-inch square. We use 3/4 inch PVC pipe because that's what the GoPro mounts are made to mount on. Now on the side, what I use is a 1 1/4 inch piece of PVC pipe for ballast. And it's attached with 3 wire ties to hold it onto the bottom, and then I've capped both ends. Side of the pipe, I have 6 6-ounce sinkers providing 32 ounces or 2 pounds of weight on each side for a total weight of 4 pounds of ballast. There's room inside the pipe to actually probably double that if you feel like you need more weight. I felt pretty comfortable though with 4 pounds of weight to weigh the rig down to the bottom. Now my T-connections face endwards, and the ropes run through the insides of the pipe. That way the rope naturally wants to fall into the center of the rig, and it keeps it from falling in front of my cameras. And on this trip, it actually worked really well. I only had one incident where I actually had rope show up in front of one of my cameras, so that was a pretty good success. I've mounted 4 cameras on the rig. Now I mount the cameras over here on the sides where the ballast isn't mounted. So I have ones that look off on the side and then ones that look straight out. And that seems to work fairly well. That way I get 360-degree coverage whenever I'm in the water. Now on this rig for color, I've added these flip filters. So this is a backscatter for a GoPro. And then I've used just a regular generic red filter over here that I bought off of eBay. I had to basically use epoxy to attach that to the case for the camera. But both of these red filters work fairly well on this trip. I was really happy with how they performed. If I didn't want to use them, I could just open them up. And if I did want to use them, I just closed them. This particular one is got a magnet that holds it in place. The epoxy worked really well. I didn't have any problems with it moving or wanting to come off or anything like that. Now on this trip, I experimented with some lights to help with the color correction. So I have a mount over here where I can take and put a light. I got an LED light off of eBay, and I'll put links to all this equipment down on the bottom. But the light worked really well as far as the color balance. Where you lose the red in the spectrum, where you drop through the water column, the light actually produced pretty good color for me. Probably the best actually of anything, and I'll do a video later on this. Now on the 1 1/4 inch PVC pipe that I have here with the ballast in it, I've actually drilled holes in there to actually let the air out so I don't have any buoyancy in these, so it sinks down faster. And that is Fishcam 3.0 in a nutshell. I appreciate everybody watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.